Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about SQOOP Import. So SQOOP is very important whenever you go for an Hadoop developer position. There are many times people will ask the question based on the SQOOP. So SQOOP is an ingestion tool through which you can import your data to the HDFS location or to the Hive tables directly, or you can export the data from your Hive table to the any RDBMS database. So basically it is a combination of your RDBMS database, moving the data from your RDBMS to the HDFS or Hive table, or from Hive to the RDBMS database. In this lecture, I will be discussing about SQOOP Import, in which I am going to move a data from your Mysql table to the Hive table directly. For that, you need to just subscribe to this channel, and if you are looking for Hadoop Spark training, you can reach out to me. So let's see this thing practically. And if you don't want to join this paid training, that is okay. Still, you can subscribe to this channel and learn a lot of free content over here. So what I'm trying to do here, I have a MySQL database is there. In this MySQL database, I have a table is there. In that table, we have some rows are available. I'm trying to do import where on my Hadoop cluster. So on my Hadoop cluster, I have Hive table is, I'm going to import it to the Hive table. So this is my Hive tables. So at the destination, the table is not exist. The Hive table is not exist. What I want, the table needs to be created here, as well as all the data should be populated from here to here. That should be done automatically. So that is possible with the help of your SQOOP import. So let me show you practically. So I have this console. If I go here, this is my table. I'm already connected to the MySQL, and let me show you the content of my employee table. So if I do select star from employee. So this is my content which is available in the MySQL table. I want to move this data from the MySQL table to the Hive tables, where I have already opened the Hive shell. This is my Hive shell. Let me show you one of the database. I have a database called SQOOP. I created this database already. And let me do one thing. Let me check whether I have any table is available in this. No, I don't have any table. Here in Hive, I don't have any table. Only database is there. Now let me do one thing. Let me run this query. What exactly it is? SQOOP import -- connect. I'm connecting to the MySQL database. What is the database name? EMP is the database name. This is the user ID and the password of your MySQL. This is the way where we are connecting to the MySQL. The number of mapper is 1 because I don't have primary key available in my data. Otherwise, the default number of mapper will be 4. This is the employee table. I'm going to import my employee table. So this is my employee table. Let me show you the employee table here. So if I go here, this is the employee table which I'm going to import. In which location? This is the location. Okay, let me change the location. The location I'll mention it as SQOOP example. This directory will be created automatically on the HDFS location. Fields terminated by comma. The data which will be imported to the HDFS location will be separated by comma. Hive import. It is going to create a new table. Create Hive table. And what is the table name? The table will be created under SQOOP database. This is a table name. This is a Hive table name. And if you already have a data in that table, it will get override. So let's run it. I'm opening the server. You can log in with the Hive user. Make sure that this user is having all the appropriate permissions and everything. That is really important. And let me run it. As soon as you fire the SQOOP import command, internally it will run your MapReduce job, because SQOOP is based on the MapReduce programming only. So it will start a MapReduce job, and it will take some time to get a data from your MySQL table to the Hive table, because first of all it needs to create a Hive table and the data will come from here to here. Again, it is a MapReduce, so obviously it will be really slow. And in order to make it faster, you know about the Spark technology. And if you want to know about more and more Spark, RDD, data frame, all those things, you can reach out to me for the training. So here you can see my MapReduce job, my SQOOP job has been started. You can also automate this job, so that it will run automatically. It would take some time. Because the number of mapper we have mentioned it as 1 at this point, it will be little slow. So we need to wait for some time. Okay, I can see the job has been completed. Now let me go to the Hive and let me fire the command like show tables. If I fire show tables, I can see the table has been created. And if I do select star from the table, Hive table, I can see the data has been created. Let me check whether it is an external table or internal table. Describe formatted table name. FORMATT. What is the syntax? Table not found. What is the table name? The table name is different. Employee underscore SQOOP. So let me correct it. Okay, so the table has been created. And if you go here, this is a managed table. The managed table has been created. So all of your data you have been moved from your Mysql to the Hive tables. Let me check the data type also, how it looks. Describe data type of your Hive tables. So automatically it will convert your data type also based on the Mysql data type. So emp1 has been changed to the int string. It was varchar in that case. Now everything has been changed as per the Hive data types, because Hive does not support all the data types of Mysql, so it needs to be converted automatically. It has done. So this is how you can convert. This is how you can do SQOOP import. If you still have any issues, anything, let me know. We can work on it. And if you are looking for Hadoop Spark training, you can reach out to me. Thank you guys. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel.